When I first moved to Salem, I lived in West Salem. I went to that bar there on the left a couple times. It was okay. There's a sidewalk behind the bar. That Goodwill wasn't there when I lived over here. There's a good bookstore over to the right. I got pulled over in that parking lot. Then they let me go. They didn't tell me why I was pulled over. Most of these shops weren't here when I lived here. I used to eat at a Mexican restaurant over to the right. I don't know if it is still there. There was a good deli up on the right. They had great sandwiches, and the lady at the cash register was easy on the eyes. There is a restaurant up ahead that has been there for a long time. They had a breakfast called the Titan. It was great. I would shop there on the right and go to a pizza place. That was about 20 plus years ago. I liked living over here. Businesses on the left were not here 20 years ago. Worst tour guide ever. Thanks for the view.